Ta-da! So let me open it up and see. This is Pulp Tarot by Todd Alcott, and I'm curious about this. This says Happy New by Todd Alcott, imitated version. So I think it's a copy. It was created by American filmmaker and graphic artist Todd Alcott. Pulp is traditional imitated version. If benefited, consider buying the original. One can use traditional meaning as well. So okay, if you dare. So it's like a imitated version. So you can buy the original. So you can see it's like a copy, but for the copy they are charging 1700. So that is, plus the printing quality is not nice. मतलब जो कटे हैं, that thing, just look at the print. Like मतलब तुम किसी का copy कर रहे हो तो सही से करो ना. This is strength. So basically it's take the pulp fiction type of classic posters and make them here, but the printing is again Ace of Pentacles. So it's like a designer series. It's like a good way of, it's like a different type of thing, and they tried, like, good for trying. But if you are charging 1700 for an imitated version, that does not make any sense for sure. Knight of Pentacles, but the artistry, and it's very American, so it won't make sense to you, but for an American person it might. Like a lot of American versions, like, because these are American. So India mein to agar, if it's like an Indian version of it where you would like Indian ads or Indian movies, so then it makes sense. But these are AI features, so AI ka zamana hai, so it won't take much. But I think the original artist might have like gone through. This is Breakfast at Tiffany's, I know. And so yeah, this is nice, good to look at, but practicality might be like, because a lot of symbols and energies and those things, because they have a much deeper meaning where energy flows and things. It's not just a visual, like बहुत सारी basic instructions होती है. So yeah, link in the description to buy